Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Listening Step by Step.
Hi there. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Chloe.
Today, we're talking about something super important: how to talk about weather in English.
Yes, weather is one of the most common topics in everyday conversation. Whether you're making small talk with a colleague, chatting with a neighbor, or planning your day, you need to know weather vocabulary.
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to describe different weather conditions, ask about the weather, and respond naturally in conversations.
We'll cover vocabulary, useful phrases, and we'll practice some real conversations together.
So grab a notebook if you want, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Let's do it.
Okay, Chloe, let's start with the basics. What are the most important weather words everyone should know?
Great question. Let's begin with the most common one, sunny. When the sun is shining brightly in the sky, we say, it's sunny.
Right. For example, it's sunny today. Perfect weather for the beach.
Exactly. Now, Alex, what about when there are clouds covering the sky?
That's easy. Cloudy. It's cloudy today.
Perfect. And we can also say, it's a cloudy day, or the sky is cloudy.
Good point. Now, what if it's raining?
Then we say rainy. It's rainy today, or it's a rainy day.
And we can also say, it's raining. For example, I can't go outside. It's raining heavily.
Exactly. Speaking of rain, we have different ways to describe how much it's raining. We can say, it's raining lightly, or it's raining heavily.
That's useful. What about wind, Chloe?
Good one. The word is windy. It's windy today.
For example, hold on to your hat. It's very windy outside.
I love that example. Now let's talk about temperature. What's the word when it's very warm?
It's hot today.
Yes, and we can say it's really hot or it's so hot outside.
And the opposite?
It's cold today or it's freezing cold.
Right. And there's also warm and cool, which are somewhere in between.
Exactly. Warm means comfortable and pleasant. It's warm today, perfect for a walk.
And cool means a little bit cold, but still comfortable. It's cool this evening.
Great. What about when you can't see clearly because of fog?
That's foggy. It's foggy this morning.
Good. And in winter, we have snowy. It's snowy outside or it's snowing.
Perfect. And one more important word, stormy, when there's a storm with thunder and lightning.
Yes. Be careful. It's stormy outside.
Excellent. So let's quickly review these essential words.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool, foggy, snowy, stormy.
Great. Now you know the basic weather vocabulary. Let's move on to useful phrases.
Okay, Alex, what are some common phrases people use when talking about weather?
One of the most common questions is, how's the weather today?
Yes, that's probably the number one question, and you can answer in different ways. For example, the weather is nice.
Or, the weather is beautiful.
Exactly. What if the weather is bad?
Then you can say, the weather is terrible, or the weather is awful.
Right. Another common phrase is, what's the weather like?
Oh yes, that's very similar to how's the weather. You can answer, it's sunny and warm, or it's cold and rainy.
Perfect. Now, what about when you want to describe a beautiful day?
You can say, it's a beautiful day, or it's a lovely day.
I love those phrases. They're so positive. What if it's the opposite?
Then you say, it's a terrible day, or what a horrible day.
True. Now, let's talk about temperature phrases. How do you say it's a little bit cold?
You can say, it's a bit cold, or it's a little chilly.
Yes, chilly is a great word. It means cold, but not freezing.
Right. For example, bring a jacket. It's chilly outside.
Perfect. And what about when it's very, very hot?
You can say, it's boiling hot, or it's scorching.
Wow, those are strong words. I like them.
Yes, they really emphasize how hot it is. Now, what about phrases for rain?
Good question. If it's raining just a little, you can say, it's drizzling.
Nice. And if it's raining a lot?
It's pouring, or it's raining cats and dogs.
Wait, cats and dogs? That's a funny expression.
I know, right? It's an idiom. It means it's raining very heavily.
I love it. Okay, what about phrases people use when the weather changes?
Oh, good point. You can say, the weather is getting better, or the weather is getting worse.
Exactly. For example, I think the weather is getting better. The sun is coming out.
Or, the weather is getting worse. I see dark clouds.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about weather predictions. How do you ask about future weather?
You can ask, what's the weather forecast? Or, what will the weather be like tomorrow?
And to answer, you say things like, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, or it should be sunny this weekend.
Exactly. Supposed to and should are very common for predictions.
Right. For example, according to the forecast, it's supposed to snow tonight.
Great example. Now, what about when you go outside and react to the weather?
Oh, yes. You can say things like, wow, it's freezing out here, or it's so nice outside.
Exactly. Or, ugh, it's so humid today.
Humid is a good word. It means there's a lot of moisture in the air. It feels heavy and uncomfortable.
Yes, especially in summer. It's hot and humid today.
Perfect. Let's practice some of these phrases together. I'll say a phrase and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's a bit chilly outside.
It's a bit chilly outside.
It's pouring.
It's pouring.
Great. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat these phrases out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. Now, let's see how to use these phrases in real conversations.
Okay, Chloe, let's do some role play. I'll start a conversation and you respond naturally. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. How's the weather today?
Good morning. It's quite sunny, but a little bit windy.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it warm or cold?
It's warm. I think it's perfect weather for the park.
That's great. I might go for a walk later.
You should. The weather is supposed to stay nice all day.
Perfect. See how natural that conversation was?
Yes, it's a typical small talk conversation. Now let's try another situation.
Okay, this time, let's imagine it's a rainy day. You start this time.
All right. Hey, Alex, did you see the weather outside?
Yes, it's terrible. It's been raining all morning.
I know, it's really pouring. I got completely soaked on my way here.
Oh no, you should have brought an umbrella.
I did, but the wind was so strong, my umbrella broke.
Oh wow, that's bad luck. Is it supposed to stop raining soon?
According to the forecast, it should clear up this afternoon.
I hope so. I don't want to walk home in this rain.
Me neither. Let's wait a bit and see.
Excellent. That was a very natural conversation about bad weather.
Yes, now let's try one more. This time, let's talk about a cold winter day.
Good idea. I'll start. Wow, it's freezing outside.
I know. I can't believe how cold it is today.
Did you hear? It's supposed to snow tonight.
Really? That's exciting. I love snow.
Me too. But I hope it doesn't snow too much. I have to drive tomorrow.
True, driving in the snow can be dangerous.
Yeah. Have you checked the forecast?
Yes, they're predicting about 5 inches of snow.
Wow, that's a lot. I better prepare.
Good idea. Make sure you have everything you need.
Perfect. Now let's try one more situation. This time, a hot summer day. You start, Chloe.
Okay. It's so hot today.
I know, it's absolutely boiling.
And it's so humid, too. I can barely breathe.
Same here. I wish it would cool down a bit.
Me too. Do you think it will rain later?
I hope so. We really need some rain to cool things off.
Yeah, I heard there might be a storm this evening.
Really? That would be nice. I love summer storms.
Me too, as long as I'm inside when it happens.
Haha, exactly. Nobody wants to be outside in a storm.
Wonderful. I think our listeners now have a good understanding of how to talk about weather in different situations.
Absolutely. Weather conversations are so common in English-speaking countries. It's a great way to start small talk.
Exactly. Whether you're talking to a stranger, a colleague, or a friend, weather is always a safe topic.
Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned today.
First, we learned essential weather vocabulary: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool, foggy, snowy, and stormy.
Then, we practiced useful phrases like, how's the weather? It's a beautiful day. It's pouring. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
And finally, we did some real conversation practice to see how these words and phrases are used naturally.
Now, here's a practical tip for you. Every morning when you wake up, look outside and describe the weather in English.
Yes, that's a great habit. Just say out loud, "It's sunny today," or "It's cold this morning."
Exactly. This simple practice will help these phrases become automatic.
And when you hear weather reports on TV or radio, try to understand the vocabulary we learned today.
Perfect advice. Also, try to use weather phrases when you meet people. It's a great conversation starter.
Absolutely. Don't be shy. Native speakers love talking about weather.
So true. Now, we want to hear from you. What's the weather like where you are right now?
Yes, go to the comments and tell us. Is it sunny, rainy, hot, cold? We'd love to know.
And practice using the phrases we learned today in your comment.
That's a great idea. It's the perfect way to practice.
Well, that's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about weather in English.
Remember, practice is key. Use these phrases every day, and they'll become natural very quickly.
And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to English Listening Step by Step for more daily conversation practice.
Yes, we post new episodes regularly, covering all kinds of everyday topics.
Tomorrow, we'll teach you how to talk about your daily routine in English.
That's another super useful topic. You don't want to miss it.
So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.